Today we discuss acceptation and variance of random variable, median and mode of discrete random variable, and theorem on acceptation and variance. So first is the acceptation and variance of random variable. First point, acceptation of discrete random variable. Let xi I running from 1 to n is the probability distribution of x. The mean of x is denoted by E of x. E of x is equal to summation xi pi, where I running from 1 to n. Remark. First remark, if PMF of x is given, then E of x is equal to summation x into P of x. Second, if g of x is a real valued function of random variable x, then E of g of x is given by E of g of x is equal to summation g of x into P of x. Next is the variance of discrete random variable. Let xi pi, I running from 1 to n, is the probability distribution of x, and E of x is equal to mu. So variance V of x is equal to E of x minus E of x bracket square, which is equal to E of x minus mu, where E of x is equal to mu bracket square, which is equal to, this can be written as a summation form, which is equal to xi minus mu bracket square into pi, I running from 1 to n. For calculation, we use the simplified formula of variance, that is V is V of x is equal to E of x minus E of x bracket square, which is equal to E of x square minus E of x bracket square. E of x is equal to summation of x P of x, and x square being a function of x. जर एक्स स्क्वेअर हे एक्सचं फंक्शन असेल तर ई ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू पी ऑफ एक्स वेअर इज एक्स. Then next we solve one example. Example is the probability distribution of discrete random variable x is as follows. टेबल दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला. x 0 to 4 p of x is equal to x 0.25, 0.4, 0.35. Find E of x and V of x, that is to find expectation and variance. Solution. Formula for E of x is E of x is equal to summation of x into P of x, x. And formula for V of x is equal to E of x square minus bracket E of x bracket square. ह्याच्यासाठी पहिले आपल्याला आता हे भेटणार आहे, पण व्हॅरियन्ससाठी E ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर पाहिजे, तर त्याच्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला पहिले E ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू पी ऑफ एक्स वेअर एक्स. पहिले आपल्याला टेबल ड्रॉ करावं लागेल. ई ऑफ एक्स इंटू पी ऑफ एक्स कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आणि एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू पी ऑफ एक्स. सो फर्स्ट एक्स 0 to 4 पी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स इज 0.25, 0.4, 0.35. Total addition of this p of x is 1. Next is the x into p of x. 0 into 0.25 is 0. 2 into 0.4 is 0.8. Next 4 into 0.35 is 1.4, and addition of this is 2.2. Next is the x square and p of x. 0 square is 0 and p of x is 0.25. So 0 into 0.25 is 0. 2 square is 4 into p of x is 0.4. So x square into p of x is 1.6. Here 1.6. Similarly we can find 5.6, and addition of this is 7.2. So next, E of x is equal to summation of x into p of x. Then summation of this x into p of x is 2.2. So So expectation is 2.2 and E of x square is equal to formula x square p of x. Then summation of this x square into p of x is 7.2. So variance of x is equal to this formula u of x square minus bracket e of x bracket square. E of x square is 7.2 minus e of x bracket square, that is 2.2 bracket square. After solving this we get 2.36. So we find v of x and here is the e of x. Next point is expectation of continuous random variable. Expectation of continuous random variable. Let x is a continuous random variable with PDF f of x, then the expectation of random variable x is e of x, which is equal to integration x into f of x dx from limit minus x to x. Note that e of x square, which is equal to integration x square f of x dx limit running from minus x to x. These two formulae are used to solve the example. Next, variance of continuous random variable. Let x is a continuous random variable with PDF f of x, then the variance of random variable x is denoted by v of x. V of x is equal to, we know that e of x minus e of x bracket square, which is equal to e of x minus mu. U of x is mu bracket square, which is equal to integration xi minus mu bracket square into f of x dx, where a limit is minus x to x. Next is the example. A random variable x has the PDF f of x defined as f of x is equal to 1 by 12 x plus 3, where x running from minus 2 to 2 is equal to 0 otherwise. Find e of x and next v of x. So first we have to find e of x. We use this formula. E of x is equal to integration x f of x dx from minus x to x, which is equal to integration limit दिलेले आहे आपल्याला minus 2 to 2 and x f of x is 1 by 12 into x plus 3 dx, which is equal to integration minus 2 to 2. This is x and x by 12 मल्टिप्लाय म्हणजे x बाय 12 हा मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करायचा, काय होईल x स्क्वेअर बाय 12 प्लस 3x by 12 dx. Separate the limit 1 by 12, separate the integration minus 2 to 2 x square dx plus 3 by 12 integration minus 2 to 2 x 3 बाहेर घेतला आहे dx 1 by 12 x स्क्वेअरचं लिमिट इंटिग्रेशन काय आहे x क्यूब बाय 3 minus 2 to 2 plus 3 1 जा 3 4 जा 1 by 4. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus 2 to 2. Putting upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 12 2 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3 plus 1 by 4 2 square upon 2 minus 2 square upon 2, which is equal to 1 by 12. 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus 2 cube is minus 8, that is plus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 2 square is 4 by 2 minus 2 square is plus 4 by 2. which is equal to 1 by 12. 8 plus 8 is 16 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 0, which is equal to, here 4 3s are, so 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 1 into 4 is 4 upon 3 3s are 9 plus 0, which is equal to 4 by 9. So expectation of x is 4 by 9. Next we have to calculate variance of x. So formula for variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. आता आपण पहिले ई ऑफ एक्स काढलेला आहे. आता आपल्याला पहिले काय काढावं लागेल, आधी ई ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर काढावं लागेल. आणि त्याच्यासाठी काय फॉर्म्युला आहे, ई ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन एक्स स्क्वेअर एफ ऑफ एक्स dx limit from -x to x. Formula is e of x square is equal to x square f of x dx minus x to x, which is equal to integration x square f of x is 1 by 12 x plus 3 dx minus 2 to 2. Take 1 by 12 common in bracket, minus 2 to 2, x square into x is x cube plus 3x square dx, which is equal to 1 by 12. Take integration x cube चं इंटिग्रेशन काय, x raised to 4 by 4 plus 3x square integration 3x cube by 3, limit from -2 to 2, which is equal to 1 by 12 x raised to 4 by 4 plus 3 get cancel, x cube 2 minus 2. Next put upper limit minus lower limit. 2 raised to 4 upon 4 plus 2 cube minus -2 raised to 4 by 4 plus -2 cube, which is equal to 1 by 12. 2 raised to 4 is 16 by 4 plus 2 cube is 8 minus -2 raised to 4 is plus 16 by 4 plus -2 cube is -8, which is equal to 1 by 12. 16 by 4 plus 8, this minus multiply middle आतमध्ये मायनस मल्टिप्लाय करायचा, -16 by 4 plus minus plus 8, this and this get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 12. 8 plus 8 is 16, which is equal to 16 by 12, and which is equal to 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12, 4 by 3. Then this is e of x square. Then variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x bracket square, which is equal to e of x square is 4 by 3 minus e of x is 4 by 9 bracket square. After solving this we get 92 by 81. Next point is theorems on expectation and theorems on variance. First, theorems on expectation. There are 4 theorems and these theorems are used to solve the example. First theorem, if c is any constant then e of c is equal to c. And theorem 2, e of x plus minus b is equal to e of x plus b. Theorem 3, e of ax is equal to a into e of x. Theorem 4, e of ax plus b, which is equal to a into e of x plus b. And theorems of on variance. First theorem, there is also 4th theorem. First theorem is if c is any constant then v of c is equal to 0. And theorem second, v of x plus minus b is equal to v of x. Theorem third, v of ax is equal to a square into v of x. Theorem 4, v of ax plus b is equal to a square into v of x. Using this theorem, we solve one example. So example is, a random variable x has the PDF f of x defined as f of x is equal to 3 by 4 x into 2 minus x, where x running from 0 to 2, which is equal to 0. Otherwise, find e of 3x and second v of 2x. First, to find e of 3x, but we know the formula of expectation. We know the theorem on expectation. Theorem is, if e of ax is equal to, जर म्हणजे e of ax असेल तर काय भेटतं आपल्याला, a into e of x. Then e of 3x is equal to 3 into e of x. Then first we have to calculate e of x, which is equal to integration from minus x to x f of x dx, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2 x as it is, and f of x is 3 by 4 into x into 2 minus x dx, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2. Take 3 by 4 common. X into x is x square into 2, that is 2x square, minus x that is 3x 3 cube x cube dx. Take integration 3 by 4 to x square चे इंटिग्रेशन काय, x क्यूब बाय 3 मायनस x क्यूब चे इंटिग्रेशन x रेज टू 4 बाय 4. Limit from 0 to 2, which is equal to, take put upper limit minus lower limit. 3 by 4 2 into 2 cube upon 3 minus 2 raised to 4 upon 4, and next is minus 2 into 0 cube upon 3 minus 0 raised to 4 upon 4. Complete the bracket. 3 by 4, 2 into 2 cube is 8 upon 3 minus 2 raised to 4 is 16 by 4 minus 0, which is equal to 3 by 4. 8 to the 16 upon 3 minus 16 by 4. Solve this multiplication and subtraction, we get which is equal to 1. So e of 3x is equal to 3 into e of x, which is equal to 3. E of x is 1, which is equal to 3. Next find variance of 2x. Variance of 2x, which is equal to, we know that the formula to find this, we know the theorem, v of ax is equal to a square into v of x. This is nothing but v of 2x is equal to 2 square into v of x, which is equal to 2 square is 4 into v of x, and v of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. आता पहिले आपण हा काढलेलाच आहे, आता काय काढावं लागेल, ई ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर. ई ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन मायनस एक्स टू एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स, विच इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्स टू एक्स स्क्वेअर, अँड एफ ऑफ एक्स इज 3 by 4 x into 2 minus x dx. Take 3 by 4 common, minus x to x square into x square, x is x cube, and into 2 is 2x cube, minus x square into x is x cube, into x is x raised to 4 dx. Taking integration 2 x cube integration x raised to 4 upon 4 minus x raised to 5 by 5. Sorry, limit here 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, which is equal to 3 by 4. Take upper limit minus lower limit. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 raised to 4 by 2 minus 2 raised to 5 by 5 minus 0 raised to 4 by 2 minus 0 raised to 5 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 upon 2 minus 2 raised to 5 is 32 upon 5, and this is the 0. After solving this, we get 6 by 5. So v of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x bracket square, which is equal to e of x square is 6 by 5 minus e of x is 1 square, which is equal to 6 by 5 minus 1, which is equal to 6 minus 5 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Then v of 2x is equal to 4 v of x, which is equal to 4 into 1 by 5, and which is equal to 4 by 5.